Hey there. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get started.
Make $1,000 a month publishing Kindle books. For a lot of internet marketers, ebook sales are a cornerstone in their online business efforts. Most internet marketers will have promoted and sold ebooks, either as an affiliate or an author, at some point in their business careers. Although some ebooks are still distributed in PDF format, which is suitable for the popular Adobe Acrobat reader. Whether you have authored the ebook yourself or bought PLR rights, publishing should be an uncomplicated process. There are any number of programs which allow you to produce a PDF file. After that, you simply need to market and promote your ebook to make sales. However, there is a publishing method available which you may not have considered up to now. The Amazon Kindle Reader is a hot and trendy gadget. In fact, more people use the Kindle than any other kind of ebook reader. Apart from the hardware technology itself, one of the important factors in the success of the Kindle to date has been the huge library of Kindle books available on the Amazon website for readers to choose from. Currently, there are over 420,000 titles on offer, and this number is growing at an average rate of 500 new books every day. Which is interesting, but what opportunities does it afford you as an internet marketer? As well as providing a new method of reading books, the Kindle also enables new publishing methods. You need an Amazon account. This is free. If you have ever bought items from Amazon's web store, then you already have one, and then you can publish Kindle books quickly and easily. All you require to do is save your book. You can use standard software such as Microsoft Word, for example, in HTML format and then upload it to the Amazon website. In a matter of minutes, your ebook could be on sale in the world's biggest bookshop. You can set the sales price of your ebook at whatever level you like. However, if you fix your price somewhere between 99 cents and $9.99, you will receive 70% of the sales price of any books which sell. To cover delivery fees, Amazon make a small deduction. Generally, this is a very small sum, a few cents are typical, which is determined by the size of the book in kilobytes. This might be less than you could make selling a $47 ebook. Nevertheless, the potential sales volume coupled with the fact that the process is free, may well make it an attractive option for you. The Amazon Kindle is often proposed to be the future of books. Obviously, this applies to both paperback books and ebooks. Releasing a Kindle version of your ebook might be a good opportunity for you to profit from this technology. Perhaps you might like to think about publishing a Kindle edition of the next ebook that you release.